Australia is going through an unprecedented infrastructure boom, which will only accelerate in the wake of the COVID-19 crisis as more funding is allocated to infrastructure projects. Looking big picture, the projects that are currently in the pipeline and about to come online are worth about $100 billion. The benefits from these projects to the community, both in their development and once they're completed, are going to be enormous. But what we don't think about sometimes is the size of the freight task it will take to take these projects successfully through to completion. Think a lot of truck movements, often going through the heart of our cities and towns. Today, I talked to Stephanie Davy from the Australian Road Research Board about the infrastructure boom and what it means for road safety.
Well, trucks are really overrepresented in road fatalities in Australia. So they account for about 2% of registrations, but they're involved in almost 20% of fatalities. So what this means is, particularly for vulnerable road users, so people who are pedestrians, cyclists, motorcyclists, those road users are particularly vulnerable within those crashes, and they're represented in about a quarter of all road fatalities. I mean, driver training is part of it, but really we can't be just blaming drivers, truck drivers for these statistics. Trucks are really massive vehicles, and any kind of crash that they're going to be involved in, particularly with the smaller guys, vulnerable road users for instance, going to have really fatal outcomes.
So it sounds like a complex issue. What can we actually do about it?
Yeah, so the Australian Road Research Board, in collaboration with the NRSPP and Transport for New South Wales, Sydney Metro, are launching we're really excited about it, we're launching a draft guide called Construction Logistics and Community Safety Australia, a practical guide. It's really to help organisations understand the risks and look to make improvements. CLOCS-A, it's a program that's been inspired out of a program in the UK where they've introduced a similar program and achieved really good benefits in terms of road safety. We're really excited just to see what impact this guide can have on reducing road fatalities in Australia.